Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upload your projects or your Power BI projects into GitHub repo. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically here we are just in this Microsoft Learning Center article, and from here you will be able to learn how to connect your Power BI project to GitHub repo. So basically all you will be needing to do is to have first of all your Power BI app. And after that, you will be needing a GitHub app. So basically, in the Power BI, you will need just to go to the apps, and from there you will be needing to search for the GitHub application. And you can find it here by clicking on Git App. So you can go to the Microsoft Store. So as you can see here, the app source, and you click on the GitHub, you get it now. And of course, you will be needing to install the GitHub. And now you will be able or you will need to open clicking to go to the app, and basically it will take you to connect your data. So by clicking on connect your data, you will be needing to add the repository for as you can see in the connect dialog, enter the repository name and the repository owner of the repo. And in this case, for this guy, the repository was like this. You can just add your repository and then enter as the repository owner. That means you will need just to add your username, and basically you can give it the name for the repo. Now you will need just to click on next. You add the authentication method, choose this one or auth2, and basically sign in and connect. And by signing up, you will be able to start adding a workspace. So you will go to your workspaces, you go to workspace settings, and basically you will be able to connect the GitHub. And from there, you can choose the workspace name and save. And basically, you will select your GitHub dashboard, and you can minimize or expand the navigation pane, and so you can have more room to see your data. And the GitHub dashboard will contain live data, so the value will be changing. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.